guys, today is the 12th of January and I am still in the village. We are still in the village. I've not been vlogging, I've not been recording anything because my phone has refused to record. I feel like I've said it a lot. My phone has been having issues, and whenever I try to vlog, it just doesn't, the camera doesn't work. I don't know how to explain, it just refuses to record. But anyways, hey, who are these ones? Imagine I said I was not in the village and then this goat starts bleating. Anyways, since my phone stopped recording, I actually haven't tried. I just stopped trying because it was getting me frustrated. I'll be doing something and I want to record, it won't work. So I just stopped trying. I was just sitting down here and I just thought to what was I even saying, Seth? What was I saying? I don't even know what I was saying again. But anyways, one of the reasons why we are still in the village is because we'll be going to Enugu tomorrow. We have something we need to do in Enugu, so we just thought instead of going back to Abia and then going to Enugu, the distance from Abia to Enugu is farther, is closer from Anambra. So we'll leave early in the morning and hopefully we'll be done with what we have to do and come back the same day. At least we can come back whenever we are done because the distance is not that far. But if you go from Abia, we might now have to be sleeping and planning of sleepover and stuff like that. So once we are done from Enugu, then we would start planning our trip back to Abia and officially start our year. But anyways, I want to go and make spaghetti, but at the same time I want to go and hunt for pawpaw. I'm trying to see if I'll take just fruits today, or maybe just fruit and protein, because I've been eating a lot in this village. Like, I've been eating a lot. Sometimes I'll be eating and I'll check time, 9 p.m. I'll be like, Jesus Christ. And now that is almost time for me to get to Abia. Reality has hit me. I know I've added a lot, but I don't know. But anyways, I'm trying not to eat. If I can start today and just not eat a lot, at least start today and cleanse my system. Maybe just take fruits and maybe protein. I don't know how possible it is, because even here I've been taking soda, I've been drinking mineral, I've been drinking something that I stopped. Like before I came back to the village, let's say since December, I've actually started taking soda and stuff, which I stopped. But you know how December is just something else. But yeah, now we are no longer in December. We are no longer doing Christmas. We are now in the new year, January. So yeah, I mean, let's try and see how well we can get back to eating healthy and hopefully lose a little weight. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I want to go cook and then sleep, because you know when you sleep you not eat. But yeah, what is it? Biscuit? Man, play ball, my friend. Just remember. Hey, I don't need help for Chineke and this one. I pay her now. Hey, I pick the ones on the floor. Go and play ball. Hey, go and play ball. Ball. Go one on. Hey. Bye-bye. Bye. 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 Under the fan, so it's going to be noisy. Let me shift. I hope he is bright enough. But anyways, dressed and ready to get back to Abia. This is 5 a.m. in the morning and I've been up since 4:30. I've been packing remnants. You know, major packing doesn't really take time like that, because you already know, oh, these clothes are going into this box, all of that. But you know, all these small things it takes time. But anyways, I think I am 95% done. The boys are still sleeping because packing does not concern them. Packing, traveling doesn't concern them. All they know is they are this place at this moment, and the next moment they're in the car, and the next moment they're in another location. But anyways, I'm done now. I think it's time to wake them, prep them, get them ready, and start sending our boxes downstairs so that they can be packed into the car. Yeah, the plan is to leave 6 or few minutes past 6 so we can beat traffic and all of that, and also get on time so we can get people that can clean the house. So we might have to stay at my parents and while they clean the house. Yeah, that's just the plan. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Okay, yeah. Guys, I am home. We are home. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad to be home. I have missed this space, like I really have. We spent a lot of time in the village, longer than expected, longer than planned, but finally we are back home. This is currently past 10 p.m, 25 minutes past 10. We go back to this house around past 7. We got into Abia very early, I think before 10 o'clock, or let's say 10 a.m. we are already in Abia, but we had to stay in my parents' house while my husband got people that cleaned the house, because we sprayed sniper and stuff, and you know, dust. Even though I feel like there will be a lot of dust because the Hamatan did not Hamatan, but yeah, cleanup needed to be done. So they did that, and then they had to open up everywhere to get the place aired and stuff. So we got back late, and I've put the boys to bed. They've had their bath, they've eaten, they are sleeping, but I am in the kitchen trying to do a little bit of arranging and cleaning, you know, in as much as they did clean up, but you know, they didn't deep clean. I'm not explaining, my hand is hot. I'm not explaining, they did mostly just surface cleaning, sweeping, mopping and stuff. But yeah, I am just here trying to do some of that, not a lot, just very minor things, arrange some of the things we got back with, not boxes, so just few things that we got back with. I trying to arrange them. I also got tomato this night while we are coming back, just in case I need to cook something tomorrow, because I emptied my freezer before traveling, and also I tried to use up every perishable. The ones I couldn't use up, I gave them away. So we are starting a fresh new year, new everything. So I just bought tomatoes just in case I have to cook. Of course I'll cook tomorrow, so I just got that, and I am here trying to, let me show you guys what I'm making. Can you guess? I don't think you will get it sharp, but yeah, this is what I'm making. Can you see my cinnamon stick? I'm using 2 sticks. Where is one? Maybe one has sunk. Yeah, boom. Oh yeah, I just thought to talk to you guys. I'll see you later. My arm is hurting from holding my phone. But yeah, good night. Your girl is back to her home. I need to end this vlog so I can start, you know, fresh vlog from Abba, and I'll begin a new vlog. But before I end the vlog, I just want to show you guys some of the things that I'm excited to get, or I'm excited that I got from a family friend that came in from America, that came in for Christmas. Yeah, anyways, let me show you guys, just in case my mood is a bit down. I am so hungry because my body is now used to eating by this time. In fact, if I was in the village by now, I've eaten breakfast and I've even had a snack in between, and this is just past 10 a.m. but yeah, I'm trying to train my body back again, but it's not easy. I'm so terribly hungry, like Anyways, ignore the noise you're hearing in the background. My kids are here. They will start school next week, but yeah, let me show you guys. So the first thing is this perfume oil. This is a perfume oil. It's called Eternal Perfume Oil. The packaging is really nice. And then this is the stuff. It's called Cold Explosion. So nice. So this is what it looks like, and it smells really nice. I'm not a fragrance girl, so I can't really start explaining all the notes and all of that, but it smells really nice. That's all I can say. And then the last time he came back, he got me products from Bath and Body Works, and I made mention that I really loved how it smelled. So I don't know if he took note of it and had to get more, but anyways, he got this this is a body wash. According to them, it's a 3-in-1 hair, face and body wash. It's called To the Moon by Bath and Body Works. This is what it looks like. I hope my camera is. And guys, you already know, if you know Bath and Body Works, I don't need to explain it to you now. It smells amazing. It smells amazing. Then if you're an OG on this channel, you would know that this used to be my you would know that this used to be my deodorant. I love it because it's aluminum free and all of that, but whenever I buy it and it finishes, to be purchased is always a problem. It's either it is sold out, or when I find it, I'm not sure if it will be original, because I have bought from 3 different shops at the same time, and the same fragrance, the same everything, and 3 of them looked different, smelled different. So I was like, nah, something is wrong somewhere. I had to just stop and just go back to my normal. Either I use the Pearl and Beauty by Nivea, or I'll just use the normal short one. Anyways, so he got this, and I'm super excited. Actually, he got 3. So it's gonna last. This one is quite different. I haven't used this particular one, so I'm excited to try it out, but this was the ones that I've always used. So yeah, I'm happy and grateful for that. He also got this is a mosquito repellent spray. I've not used it yet, but because like I said, we sprayed the house before leaving, so for now there's no insect or mosquito anywhere. But yeah, I'm grateful for this. Hopefully it's strong enough to kill our Nigerian mosquito. I'm sweating so much. The fan in this room, I think, is bad, because the fan will be on, but you just be sweating. I don't understand. Oh my gosh, and I can't find my adapter. I would have connected this standing fan here. Yo, you guys will excuse the sweat because anyways, the next thing here is this this is a tomato bouillon with chicken flavor. It's powdered, so yeah, I'm gonna try it, and hopefully I remember to tell you guys what it looks like or tastes like. But yeah, this is pain relief now. I know the stress of traveling, the road trip, and all. The day I got back to the village, or the day he gave me this, so I was like, I just opened it immediately and I opened it and took 2 just to ease me of the stress of the pain and my legs, because I'm a tall girl, so sitting down for a long time really affects my knee and my legs. So I took it, and I would say it helped. This thing here is this wipes. This is it's called Dude Wipes, and they said it is flushable. I'm not going to risk that. Anyways, 50 flushable wipes. It's still closed. I've not opened it because thing here is a corned beef, but this is the Clover Valley one. Obviously, I don't know the brand, but yeah. Then he also got pack of shaving sticks, which I'm really grateful for. And it's big, but you know, this will be definitely the foreign big. It's 10 pieces, 5 in each of the packs. He also got a body cream from Bath and Body Wash. Guys, this particular cream, one day I just said, let me just try it out, and I applied it on my body. It smells like perfume. Guys, it smells like perfume. When I applied it on my body, I was like, wow. I was experimenting. So that particular day, due to I was at home, I wasn't going anywhere, I didn't apply any body spray or perfume again, just this, and it legit smelled like I sprayed perfume. I kid you not. It's so amazing. Like, oh guys, can you see that? It smells, if you've used this particular product from Bath and Body Works, this one is called the adrenaline. Yeah, adrenaline. This cream, I'm gonna be mising it. Whenever I just want to smell so freaking good, I'm going to use it. I really appreciate that he got that. Then he got, of course, supplements. I've been saying I want to start taking supplements, but supplements are not cheap. By the time I see the price, I'm like, maybe I'm still too young for it. This is omega-3 fish oil dietary supplement, heart and general health from Spring Valley. I'm super excited for this. I'm definitely going to take this. I'm gonna take it. I don't know when I'll start, but I will take it. Yeah. He also got this magnesium glycinate. I hope I got that right. And magnesium really helps for bones, right? So they said it supports muscle relaxation, bone, heart and nerve health. So I'm super excited for this. Very excited. This I'm also gonna take. He also got a bunch of tablets. If you're Catholic, you know now, because he's Catholic, and yeah, I just felt the need to do that. There are a lot. There are about 5 or 6 pieces here, so enough to go around. I'm grateful for this. So we'll have to take it to Father to bless them first. But yeah, and then of course, when you give somebody the rosary, you gotta give them how to pray the rosary. So he got how to pray the rosary pamphlet as well, 2 of it. Yeah, and then he also got this supplement, but this one is a gummy. This is the women's multi, but I'm seeing women's 40 plus. I don't intend opening this one yet until I'm sure, even though I will just ask Google. But let me know, does it mean that it's women that are 40 years and above that can take this? Because, and I feel like, why is it not this one that is the gummy? Why is it not this one that is gummy? Because to take medicine, it had gummy would have just been so nice, but these ones are gummies. Can you see them from here? But anyways, that is all, and I am super grateful, and I am super thankful. God bless him. But yeah, oh my gosh, guys, I am so freaking hungry and tired, but I would have forced myself to sleep if I was alone, but obviously you can hear the voice here, so I can't sleep, and they've eaten and they'll soon eat again. But me, I cannot eat because I really need to train my body back. What do you mean by eating by this time of day? But anyways, thank you so much for watching the vlog. Just give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet a subscriber. It is now that I'm even starting to upload all my December vlogs, the ones that I could vlog while my phone was not misbehaving. Funny enough, it has been recording since. I don't know what happened. It just stopped all because their night has begun. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We are officially back to town, and we are officially back to normal life. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Turn on your post notifications so when I put out new videos, you'll be notified, and you can come and support your girl, and as well as enjoy the vlog. I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye. Please remember to stay safe and be good. It's been so long since I said this to you guys, but yeah, stay safe. Okay, bye guys.